best part about being a master gardener is getting to meet people in the community, working with the community. My wife and I moved here from Minnesota several years ago, and we don't know anybody. So it's really nice to be able to be part of a group and meet people and help the community.
Helping the community, right? Making people, helping people to understand, solve the problems that they have in their yards or gardens, or questions they might have about the nature around them.
Mm-hmm. The best part probably for me is that it's always a learning experience, so you're always learning something new and different from someone or for information that you're looking up. But also it's helping in your community, and I think it has a real impact on the people of your community and the visitors to your community, what our projects entail.
Well, right now I'm starting a butterfly garden at the farmers market to help educate the children and the community about having plants for the pollinators that don't actually have to be the wild native things, but more common perennials and annuals, to put a pretty garden together that still helps the pollinators.
Probably my most favorite one would be the children's community garden. So we go to a local daycare, and we work with the children once a week on about 8 or 9 week basis. And my part, of course, is the hands-on in the garden. So we're teaching these young people how to garden and important things about plants and what to look for, what not to look for. So that's a learning experience that I enjoy doing.
Great.
Favorite project that I've been involved with as a master gardener? Well, there's been a bunch of them, but I love meeting and putting on educational programs at nursing homes, at schools, for people in the community. It allows me to spread a little bit of expertise I had. First thing I learned when I became a master gardener was I didn't know anything yet. And that was very, very fun. But yes, I really love to meet with people and do training sessions.
Well, I think the whole concept of the master gardener is a great, like I said, a learning experience, but also it allows you to do volunteer time that's really going to impact your community. And you get to pick and choose which activities or projects you'd want to be active in. So there's a wide variety. And they say being a volunteer is the best health thing that you can do for yourself as in retirement. Mm-hmm. So I think it's a win-win situation for both the individual as the master gardener and for your community people.
I think it's a good investment in your time. If you kind of think of it as Peace Corps for your local community, mm-hmm. that you can get out there and help people, and it's just another layer to you.
Mm-hmm.
I would say that they should do it, because they will find that there's a whole new world open up to them.